BOXABL CASITA is a type of modular, prefabricated accessory dwelling unit developed by BOXABL, a construction technology company based in Las Vegas, Nevada. The casita is designed to be a small, customizable living space that can be installed quickly and easily on a homeowner's property. The BOXABL CASITA is built in a factory using advanced building technology, including structural insulated panels and proprietary folding technology that allows the unit to be shipped flat and easily assembled on site. The casita is designed to be highly customizable, with options for different floor plans, finishes, and features such as a kitchenette, bathroom, and built-in storage. One of the key benefits of the BOXABL CASITA is its mobility and versatility. The unit can be easily transported to different locations, making it an ideal option for homeowners who want to add additional living space or rental income without the need for a full-scale renovation or construction project. The cost of a BOXABL CASITA can vary depending on the size, features, and finishes selected, but is typically less expensive than traditional construction methods. The unit can also be a sustainable and energy-efficient living option, with options for solar panels and other green features. Overall, the BOXABL CASITA is a modern, innovative solution to the affordable housing crisis and offers a flexible, customizable living option for homeowners and renters alike.